All right, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to hijack a high-value, viral, high-traffic page, and I'm going to show you how to hijack it and to pixel it, and so that you can hijack the traffic to be going to your product offers instead. All right, so let's get started. First of all, we're going to be using the overlay feature and pixel. So here's the tracking pixels going here, and I'm going to create another one. I'm going to create a Facebook pixel, and it's going to be video editing. Animation. All right, and I'm just going to put in a pixel here. It's my Facebook pixel, and if I click on Add Pixel, so that's the Facebook pixel for this campaign. Okay. And so video editing animation, and there's a tag number, and I got 3 different pixels there. A couple of them are demos and so forth. All right, so now I'm going to set up my overlay, and what you can do is you can set up I'm going to put it on the bottom left of a high value traffic site, and I'm going to take Todd's video. I'm going to take his product. So if I was Todd, you can be using something like this software here, and put the URL to Todd's product right here. So Todd wants to get more sales to his product, okay? Or maybe you have an affiliate link to that product. You put an affiliate link right there as well. And also you can edit all this right here. Edit the word new, the colors. It's all changeable if you want it on the bottom left or top right or where you want it on the page. I'm going to go bottom left, okay? And click on Save at the bottom. All right. So now we're going to come over to it's called a site called Buzz Sumo. Now there's 7-day free trials, but there's a lot of different free softwares out there like this. This is a 7-day free trial, and I just typed in the keyword best video editing software, and it's got some some traffic sites, some sharing. So I'm going to pick this site right here. It's got a really good snazzy title. And right here, I'm going to pick this site, and it's got a really good title, best video editing softwares for YouTube. All right. So I'm going to take this right here. I'm going to go and I'm going to add that right inside there. And now I'm going to, instead of direct, I'm going to pick Splash. All right. Splash. And for advanced options, I'm just going to put video editors. Or how about best video? So it's a pretty link. All right. For pixels, I'm going to come down below. For pixels, I'm going to add the video editing animation campaign, and I'm going to add an AdWords one, and LinkedIn, and Twitter. All right. Now you can add multiple pixels and different campaigns. I'm just doing this for illustration purposes. And once you're done, you can just click on shorten. All right. So right here, I can share on Twitter. I can share on Facebook. I can get the QR code. But watch this. If I share this on Facebook, so you need to post this link, this shortened URL link, and post it all over the place. Get some traffic to it. You can even email your list to it. All right. And so I'm going to post this to Facebook. It's right there. So that's going to be right on my profile. So if I click on the home here, there's right there, okay? So I'm going to click on there. When I click on there, it's going to bring me to that website, okay? People are reading it. And on the bottom corner, it says, see the best of having the best animation video editor. So when people click on there, they're going to be taken right to Todd's page. And if it's your affiliate link, you'll get paid on it and so forth. But most importantly, when they visit this shortened URL right here, so there's a shortened URL, it has that title on it. This pixels you to Facebook or to AdWords, whatever. So if you do some, Facebook marketing, some ads, or maybe some ads on Google AdWords or Twitter, whenever somebody visits Facebook and they have already visited this page, all right, so they have visited this page, and then they go back to Facebook, they're going to be seeing your your advertisements, and say you do some advertisements on this animation studio. All right, so you're doing some ads on this product here. And so when they go and visit Facebook or Twitter, so people that click on this they're interested in video editors, and so then all of a sudden they're going to start to see your ads that you want to draw their attention to, on the same platforms, on other platforms. And look at this. Somebody just likes a link that I just shared. All right, so somebody just liked it. So this person has already looked at it, and here it is live. And so he's already. So now if I do an ad on Animation Studio, he's going to start seeing my ads on his Facebook feed and on his Facebook page, and anywhere else. If I do some Google ads, he's going to see those as well. All right, when he visits Google. So thank you.